Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your cellular plan allows tethering and you have enough data. This avoids surprises. Once done, open Settings and go to Personal Hotspot or Cellular, then Personal Hotspot, and toggle it on. Make sure you note the Wi-Fi password displayed. You will need it to connect other devices. You do this now so the iPhone advertises a secure network. If you prefer, change the password in place to a memorable, strong phrase before connecting any device. Next, decide how devices will join. Wi-Fi is easiest for multiple gadgets, Bluetooth pairs single devices with lower power use, and USB delivers the fastest, most stable connection. You should select Wi-Fi on the client device and find the iPhone network name, which matches your device name. Enter the hotspot password you noted. Once paired over Bluetooth or plugged via USB, make sure the client accepts the connection. Also, change the hotspot password if you need extra security, and minimize discoverability when you finish. Finally, confirm the client device shows internet access and monitor your iPhone's cellular usage to avoid overage. When you're done, turn Personal Hotspot off to conserve battery and data. If something goes wrong, try the single most effective fix first. Toggle Personal Hotspot off and on, then toggle cellular data. If that fails, restart the iPhone. These steps reset the radios and clear temporary glitches. If persistent, reset network settings as a last resort, because that clears saved Wi-Fi and Bluetooth pairings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.